Adin wada permit hukum ke sorkar kamjo udisi ke East Giant Hills wa nek atwa witerik ke man lek sengi pendap. Ikan yam garukom Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon wa man gam sengi cuti yang borok ki yung krek kam sorkar kamjo lek borok ki bang. Dari yang sen Giantian National Council Khliehriat Circle, the chem go em ki bang ki wai kamte dalai chem ki he ki bang yo pentip yaki wada em go hukum wa phah khang ke sorkar ki bang. Wada em nyap li ki bang wada lai phah khang ne ke sengi ki em apok Khliehriat. Kasain da onggo wa ne ke sengi wara ko wi ke jalari yam bru ko wa da penyo ko le ye burom yo MP kamte da hab bobot ke hukum wa da pemi ke sorkar.
That's why you're closed.
So that's it. And we'll come later to see, to check, and then this morning, for the death of our respected leader. Okay, so that's it. We'll come later and we'll check. Okay.
Haji siya ka nang niya na balong confusing ba? Setiap dengan sendiri sih. Kalau buat pun jadi mana? Kalau confusing mah kena kau nang dengan. Jadi semua ada di sini.
Biar buat.
Ini.
I think we have also heard yesterday we were supposed to close. EC had released their order. All banks should be closed. But in the evening, today bank have to open. That's why we are sitting here.
We get it. But this is public settlement.
No, I understand.
Okay.
We were to
If you understand the solution, what we are trying to express is the whole state this morning as a sign to pay tribute or respect to the late doctor.
Our cash and everything is out. Okay, we will put the cash within half an hour. Our shutter will get closed. Don't have to worry. Okay, by 11:30. Give me half an hour time. Okay.
We're closing or opening? Hello? So we are a local press group, an organization. You are closing, but you are not closing properly. You know, you're still working, you're still here.
No, we're not working. See, there is a process. No, when you open the branch batch, all the staff come. No, then what you need to do? To close the branch batch, all the staff has to go out. You have to give the report, no, that we have opened the branch batch. However, because of certain circumstances, we are closing the branch. That is how we will work.
Okay, then we're giving you half an hour.
Yeah, please.
You complete all your work, and then we'll come after half an hour.
Yeah,
and then we'll check.
Not an issue, not an issue. We are closing the. You can see only. We are working.
This morning, right? For the good of our respected leader. So there should be no staff working here. Neither we. Whole state this morning, the late Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon. So as a sign to pay tribute or respect him, you should close. And
But actually, the thing is that
I know there's a new order from the Deputy Commissioner, right?
we are supposed to close. We don't have any issue. So call we close. So we send the mail across. Then again, we have received a new notification that
all banks are
open.
Uh,
That is the thing. So
I
we
know.
are confused.
I know, but we are talking about, a prominent figure, a leader. So you
He was
should
a SP.
respect him as well as. So that's it. You should close. So we are giving you half an hour to complete all your work, and then we'll come and check again after half an hour.
Actually, yesterday we sent the mail for closure of today.
I know.
But after some time we got the corrigendum where
Acha, all the banks are functioning the same way.